Good day everyone. In this video, we will check how to verify if port is opened or not. If you're a DBA, you will know that how this is very important. Let it be any issue, let it be like always on availability group, mirroring, or anything related to connectivity. The first thing that we will be checking would be to see if a specific port is open or not. For example, in always on availability group, we will basically be checking if 5022 port is open, if the always on endpoint is going to be 5022. And also for SQL Server, you will be looking at 1433 if it is the default port. And in case if it is going to be a different port, then you basically have to verify if that particular port is open. So the thing is like, as far as ports are concerned, always we reach out to the network team, DNS team, and see if a port is open. And sometimes what happens is like you get a confirmation that the port is open. That is what you hear from the network team or platforms team. But when you try to configure something, let's say always on availability group or something, you basically get an error, and then you end up troubleshooting a lot of other things, and then you come to a conclusion later that the port or the required port is not open, and then you reach out to them and you either sort it or you basically fight with them to open that particular port. But in this video, what I will do is like as soon as you hear from the other team that the port is open, you can use some simple commands and verify yourself if the port is open or not. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to log into this server called JBS AG1, and what I'm going to do is like I'm going to use the first command, which is known as telnet. So right now I'm on a server called JBS AG1, and now what I'm doing is like on JBS AG1, I'm trying to see if port 5022 on JBS AG2 is open or not. Yeah, so the command used is like telnet, the destination host name, and the port is 5022. Yeah, so let's enter, and then now if you see that the port is open, then basically like it goes through, and then you will see a screen like this. Okay, this is one command that you can use. The other command that you can use to verify that is like the TNC command in PowerShell. So what you need to do is like you need to type in TNC, the destination server, and then the port 5022 in my case, and whatever port you want to check you can put there. Yeah, and then when you press enter, so it basically performs a connect, TCP connect, and then it comes up with the result stating like the computer name, remote address. The most important thing would be this one, the TCP test succeeded true. Okay, now that we verified like things are working fine, so now what we'll do is like let's try a telnet command on a port that is not open. Like in my case, I'm trying 5202. Yeah, so let's press enter. Yeah, and then let's wait for it to connect, and then by now it should have gone if the port is open. But let's verify what is the message that we are going to see. Let me pause this video and then resume it back once either it succeeds or there is a failure. Okay, if you see here, it basically tells like connecting to JBS AG2 could not open the connection to the host. So this is the error that we are getting. So with this, if we can go back to the appropriate team stating like the port as per your advice is open, but when we try checking it, we are getting this message, can you have a look? This is one command, and another command that we can try is this TNC. So let's try it here. I'm going to pause this video, and then once it either completes or fails, I will resume the video back. Okay, so if you look at it, what I'm seeing is like the first one is a warning message. It basically tells like TCP connect to this particular IP address, which is for JBS AG2, is basically failed. And then you look at this one, TCP test succeeded is false. So it clearly tells like there seems to be a problem. So we can use these two commands to verify whether the port that is required is open or not. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.